Hello there. This is a lovely example of the Vauxhall Insignia. It is the Elite 2-litre diesel automatic. Really stylish car this, guys. Full automatic. You've also got full leather interior with heated front seats. Dual zone climate control. You've also got Vauxhall IntelliLink with DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity. You've also got satellite navigation as well as projection for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Electric folding door mirrors, automatic lights and rain sensitive windscreen wipers. Isofix seating points in the back. You've got front and rear parking sensors as well. Huge boot space with a 60/40 split in the rear chair, so you need that extra little bit of boot space. And back round to the passenger side. Really nice example this, guys. For more information, please visit the website.